When I think of facilitation, I, of course, liken it to training and development. I think of the skills that you need to facilitate training, such as clear communication, active listening, empathy, relationship building, time management, and the ability to create trust and provide a safe environment. But this skill set is also very important in leadership. My name is Jennifer Mitchell Early. I help individuals and teams achieve organizational and personal success, and this is Leadership Matters. Today, we're talking about facilitation skills, what they are and why they're important. Facilitation skills are an essential component of effective meetings because they supply teams with the expertise they need to hone in on the problem or topic at hand and achieve creative solutions and consensus. A skilled facilitator can supercharge a team's performance by functioning as a process guide for navigating complicated business challenges. A good facilitator possesses the following skills: advanced preparation, clear communication, active listening, the ability to ask clarifying questions, timekeeping, establishing a psychologically safe environment for sharing, creating focus amongst a group, unbiased objectivity, and managing the group decision process. A skilled facilitator is like the sails of a ship. They guide the team where they need to go with no objective other than to lead the team to their destination. A team can navigate a meeting without sails, but it's much easier and more effective if they have facilitation skills to guide them. In the article, Facilitation Skills Just Might Be the Best Kept Leadership Secret, Dana Brownlee, senior contributor for Forbes, refers to facilitation skills as a superpower that flies under the radar. Facilitation doesn't only address the mechanics of how to run an efficient and effective meeting, but more importantly, how to navigate dysfunctional behavior within a group, how to help guide a group towards a goal, how to encourage balanced participation during a discussion, and how to help a group generate creative ideas and reach a consensus on a decision. The Association for Talent Development defines facilitation as the act of engaging participants in creating, discovering, and applying learning insights. Viewed through this broader lens, it's clear that these skills are invaluable for virtually any leader. Author of the best-selling textbook, Facilitating with Ease, Ingrid Benz, MED, insists when leaders start to use facilitation techniques to manage their meetings, they'll soon discover that facilitation is actually not a touchy-feely, nice-to-have frill, but an essential tool for bringing much-needed structure to their work with their people. Facilitation is a process for getting groups of people together to solve any problem. Good facilitators know how to jump right in, establish an objective, create a format packed with interactive opportunities for discussion, and lead groups of all sizes toward constructive solutions. According to the International Association of Facilitators, IAF, facilitative leadership is a particularly successful leadership approach. Host of IAF's Facilitation Impact Awards, Jeffrey London, explains that facilitative leaders use an inclusive style to tap individual potential. They co-create and collaborate in order to get things done, explains London. The projects of facilitative leaders are done in an interactive manner that allows all individuals to contribute, evaluate, and improve aspects of shared initiatives. Furthermore, IAF insists that today's workplace complexity requires leaders to learn to lean into a more facilitative style. In a world that can be seen as increasingly fragmented and chaotic, leaders who can build participation, alignment, and meaning are finding more success. Leaders who understand how to invite people into a participatory environment and use the group energy to innovate fit well in today's context. With the world calling for more inclusion and equity, tomorrow's leaders need to be facilitators. Invariably, leaders are inundated with skills they are supposed to master, but most of those focus on what they want to achieve. The magic of facilitation skills is they focus on how to achieve those desired goals in a very practical way. While leaders easily spend tens of thousands of hours in meetings and group discussions, very few invest the time to develop the facilitation skills needed to make them more effective. Thanks for watching. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload new content. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.